In this video, we are pleased to showcase our single-use Abbey Submucosal Needles, which offer precise, fine, controlled dissection and cauterisation to targeted tissue. The Abbey Submucosal Needle is ideal for delicate surgeries, such as those involving the mucosal layers of the sinuses, nasal passages, or throat. The needle is beneficial in surgeries where controlled cutting and minimal bleeding are essential. Procedures which are well suited to use the Abbey needle include turbinate reduction, tonsillectomy or adenoidectomy, sinus surgery, tissue biopsy or lesion removal, and breast surgery. Our Abbey needles are supplied with a pre-attached 3-meter cable and 8mm generator pin. As well as single use, we also supply a reusable Abbey needle, helping to reduce waste and promote sustainable healthcare practices. We are committed to our partnership with the NHS to ensure we can offer best value to our NHS customers. Our Abbey needles are also available via the NHS supply chain. Experience unmatched precision and efficiency in surgical dissection with our Abbey needles. Contact our customer service team for further information.